Hi, and thank you for watching our video on using the Data tab in DealStats, the leading source for complete company transaction data. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Data tab and the features available for sorting through the return search results. In the data table grid, the first thing you will notice is that we are able to change the number of results provided per page by using the View drop-down box. If you would like to see how many transactions are currently in your results, we will want to take a look in the upper right hand corner of the data grid, where we will see the number of transactions currently being displayed out of how many total transactions were returned in the search. Next to the total transaction count, you will notice that it says the page number we are currently on out of how many total pages are available. Assuming we have multiple pages of results, such as in this example, we have the ability to go directly to any page of the results by typing in the page number we would like to visit and clicking Go. As you can see, we are now on the 5th page of results. We can use the arrow buttons to move through the pages, and we can use the double arrow buttons to move to the first or last page of the results. Moving down into the actual data table, we can see that the results from our search are in the rows and the columns indicate the data point being displayed. Each of these data points can be sorted in either ascending or descending order by clicking on the column heading. The arrow next to the heading will then point either up or down to indicate the sort order. If you would like to perform a multi-level sort with the data, please refer to our sort video tutorial. If we would like to remove some of the individual deals from our results, this can be done by unchecking the boxes at the beginning of the row for that specific transaction. This will then remove that transaction data from being calculated in the other tabs, such as the Statistics tab, the Insights tab, and the Summary tab. Another way we can filter out our results, if we choose, is by searching using the column search boxes such as the ones shown here for the SIC, the NAICS, and the target business description. This search box will return results that contain any criteria that's placed into that box. The results from the column search bar will then recalculate the data in the other tabs. The last feature we will cover in this video is the Transaction Report tab located in the leftmost column. This icon will open up the transaction reports for all the deals in our search results. We can open up the transaction reports of specific deals by clicking on that same icon at the beginning of the row for that specific transaction. If you'd like to learn more information on how to use the transaction reports, please refer to our transaction report tutorial video. Also, if you would like to make any changes to the view of the data grid, please refer to our display video tutorial. This concludes our tutorial on using the Data tab in the DealStats database.